In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp dependencies. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up task relationships, so your work happens in the right order and nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and open the ClickUp website from the results. Once you're in your workspace, choose the project where you want to manage task order. This could be a space, folder, or list, wherever your tasks live. From there, open a specific task that needs to be sequenced with another task. It's best to pick a task that truly depends on something else finishing first, like publish blog post, which might need to wait for finalize draft. Inside the task, look for the three dots, often called the ellipsis menu, to access more options. Click that, then choose Dependencies. This is where you define the relationship between tasks, so ClickUp can reflect and communicate the correct sequence to your team. You'll see two dependency types. Waiting on means this task cannot start until another task is completed. Use it when the current task is the one that needs to wait. Blocking is the opposite. This task must be completed before another one can begin. Use it when the current task is the prerequisite. A quick way to remember the difference is to think about which task is being held up. If your current task is held up by something else, it's waiting on. If your current task is the one holding others up, it's blocking. Choose. Waiting on for our example. Click Add Waiting on Task. You'll see a list of your recent tasks. Select the one that needs to be completed first. After you add it, the dependency appears on the task, making the relationship clear to everyone. This helps you and your teammates see that work should not start until the prerequisite is done. If your team uses due dates and timelines, this also reinforces the logic behind your schedule and reduces the chances of rework. You can follow the same approach with blocking when the current task is the prerequisite for something else. Use these two options consistently to clarify ownership, avoid bottlenecks, and keep priorities aligned. That's all it takes. ClickUp dependencies let you control task order and workflow logic so tasks are completed in the correct sequence, especially helpful for project management, operations, and team coordination. Keep task names clear, review dependencies during planning, and you'll create a reliable, predictable flow of work.